from a cake. So here is my cup and some all the ingredients. So here is olive oil, vanilla extract, fruits, baking powder, Hershey's cocoa powder, and all-purpose flour, sugar, salt, milk, and some chocolate chips. So I'm gonna start. So 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. 3 tablespoons. 1. Okay. And then 2. And then 3. And then 2 tablespoons of sugar. And then 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Okay, 1. And then 2. And then 1/4 teaspoons of baking powder. 1/4. Okay. And okay. Yeah. 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 pinch of salt. 1 pinch. Stick a pinch. Small. Yeah, this is a pinch. Pinch of salt. And then mix everything well. Yeah. And now 3 tablespoons of milk. 3 tablespoons. One tablespoon. Then 2 tablespoons. 3 tablespoons. And 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla essence. So where's the vanilla essence? Where's the vanilla essence? So yeah. Vanilla essence and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Here's 1 tablespoon. Then the other tablespoon. And then mix all of them well. Yeah, and now everything is mixed, and top up some fruits and cocoa and some chocolate chips. And some fruits, some of those, and some of those. Now mix it well again. Oh, that's gonna be sweet. And now it's ready to put. No, it's not. I need to mix a bit well. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, and now it's ready to keep in the oven